right, the next thing I want to talk about is when you're trying to get jobs and you know they have more than one location, giving them a cheap price, sometimes they don't they don't take on what you're giving them. Sometimes it doesn't always work to give them such a very low price in order to bring them in. To encourage them to do more business with you. Sometimes it doesn't always work. So many months back, y'all saw me pick up a Lowe's, and then I started doing 3 loads, right? So that was short-lived. All of them stopped me from cleaning without a moment's notice. No heads up, no nothing. They just stopped me cold turkey, right? So I said, okay. I tried to get my job back. Managers switched to different stores. And I went back to tell them that I was doing the windows and I'd like to continue doing them. But there was no word. I left business cards there. So one of the stores emails me yesterday, right? Tells me I've done the windows before and we need a quote for the windows ASAP. So I said, listen, I was doing it on a monthly basis and the price I gave you was to have it done frequent. But y'all stopped me from cleaning the windows with no notice. And I can't charge you. I said, is this a one-shot deal? They said, well, give me a price for a one-shot deal and for a monthly price. So that's what I did. So guess what I did? I doubled my price. I kid you not, I doubled it. Because at that point, I didn't care if I didn't get the job or not, but I'm going to get paid well for cutting them a break all this time. So what I did was, I doubled my price. He got back to me and said it's a go. I said, so how y'all gonna pay? Y'all gonna pay like y'all did with the store credit card? They said, yeah, someone will be here and to give you the store credit card. I said, all right. So today we're going there and I'm gonna get paid double. That's the price you gotta pay for having me come at a moment's notice and for a one-shot deal. Now, I took half of that and charged them to have it done more frequently. You think they would have jumped on that. But instead, they rather pay double to have it done when they feel like it, which is fine by me. Because I'm cleaning windows nonetheless. If I'm going to get paid double of what I normally would charge them, all the better. Then by all means, call me when you feel like you need to. Because I'll gladly take your double money. I'm all right with that. But I gave them the option, and they chose that instead. So, I'm the one that's winning on top now because I'm charging them what I want and they're paying it. Hey, if they want to pay double, that's on them. But the offer's on the table and they don't have to. But that's just it. When you're dealing with new companies, don't automatically assume because you gave them a good price. These people don't know what a good price is if it slapped them in the face. You feel me? They're going to pay whatever we charge them. Or else they're not getting their windows done. How's that sound? Half the time, these companies don't bargain shop. Because it's been neglected so long that they just need it done. And they're not going to bargain shop when they put down, we need it done ASAP. You know they're not going to bargain shop. So you, at that point, you could pretty much rape them. Bend them over backwards and charge whatever you want to charge. They can either pay it or not. You know? But maybe they'll do the research next time to see if they can get a better price. I'm sure they could than what I'm charging them double. But hey, it is what it is, right? You can either take it or leave it. That's how I feel. But see, when you have enough work, you can do that. You can sit there and say, okay, well, if they don't bite, I'm not going to lose any sleep over it because it's not going to make myself any poorer because I already got what I got. You know what I mean? But there you have it. I'll see you in the next one.